This city looks unreal, almost like something created by AI, but it's completely real. Welcome to Zurich, Switzerland. Located in the heart of Europe, Zurich is one of the most beautiful cities in the world, surrounded by mountains and centered around a crystal clear lake. This city feels peaceful the moment you arrive. The Old Town is where history truly comes alive. Cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and church towers that have stood here for centuries. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time. At the center of the city lies Lake Zurich. The water is incredibly clear, reflecting the sky like a mirror. On sunny days, locals gather here to relax, to walk, and to simply enjoy the view. And when the sun begins to set, the entire city turns golden. But Zurich isn't just historic, it's modern, efficient, and vibrant. Trams move smoothly through the streets. Luxury shops line Bahnhofstrasse and cafes bring warmth to everyday life. And yes, Swiss chocolate is everywhere. For the best views, head up to the mountains nearby. From above, you can see the entire city, the lake, and the distant Alps stretching across the horizon. It's breathtaking. Mornings in Zurich are calm and refreshing. People walk along the river. Cyclists move quietly through the streets. The city feels organized, clean, and incredibly easy to explore. Boats glide gently across the lake. Parks are filled with green spaces. Nature is never far away. That's what makes Zurich so special. The balance between city life and nature. And when night falls, Zurich becomes something else entirely. Warm lights glow in the old town. Reflections shimmer on the water. The city feels calm yet alive. Zurich may look unreal, but it's completely real. Would you visit?